Hey everyone, I'm Mel from Gel Candy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create a beautiful nail art design using crystals and a bit of marbling. Let's get started. Okay, so I decided to do crystals on this one. I'm going to put my color polish on these two and I'm going to do a marbling design on that. So for my color polish, I am using the FE05 in Gellyfit, and then I'm just using a white for the marbling and a silver glitter just for the base of the crystals, so it looks nice and full. So I'm just going to put a nice thin layer of my glitter silver polish. And this is going to make the crystals look, it's going to make it look nice and full, so there's no gaps between the crystals. And then we're going to do our colored polish. And then our white. Before we cure, we want to tidy up any mess. And then once we're happy with it, we're going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do another coat of the purple. And just tidying up any edges. Now we're going to go ahead and cure that for another 30 seconds. Okay, now that we've done all our base, we are going to go ahead and start with the marbling. So I've got some fun gel. I'm just going to put a thin coat of fun gel over the white. So before we cure that, we're going to get some of our purple and just put a little bit on our wheel. And then I am just grabbing my detailing brush and just placing it randomly in the nail. Just like that. Just so we can get some color into our marble. We will be going over with black, but the fun gel just spreads out the polish for you, does all the work, and just work with it until you're happy. Marble isn't perfect, so we're not trying to get any perfect lines or anything. Alright, and once we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go in with our black. So we're just going to put a little bit of black gel polish on our wheel, and again with my detailing brush, I'm just going to go in with the black polish and just make little marble lines. Again, not trying to make anything perfect. And I'm kind of just following off where I had put the color gel polish. So I've just got some alcohol here now. Now I've got a bigger brush, so I'm just going to put some alcohol on there and kind of disperse the alcohol through the black. And just work with it until you're happy. I'm just going to go in with my smaller brush and just do some darker bits. Alright, so once we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and cure that. Now that that one's done, we're going to go ahead and top coat it. And again, I'm just using my Wonder Gel from eNail. And cure that. And there's our marble design finished. So now we're going to go ahead and do our crystal finger. So I've got my crystals ready, I've got my gummy jelly, and I've got my crystal tool. I'm just going to place a good amount of gummy jelly over the whole nail, and this is going to stop all our crystals from falling off. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my top coat before I stick the crystals on. And now we're going to go ahead and stick the crystals on. I'm just sticking them on in a row. Now you could go ahead and just leave it like that, but I am going to add some extra little beads, and I'm just going to put them in between the crystals. And so you can see it just kind of gives it a more fuller look. Okay, now that we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add some crystals to these two. So I've got my gummy jelly, and I'm just going to put the gummy jelly in the spots that I want the crystals. Okay, again, before we stick the crystals on, I'm going in with my top coat. So again, I am just going in with my little beads and putting them around the crystals. And tidying up any excess gel. So I'm going to put my bigger crystal right there, and then we're just going to decorate it around it. Alright, once we finish that, we're just gonna touch up the top coat. Alright, once we're happy with all of that, we're gonna go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds for the last time. So there's our nails. So our last step now is to finish off with some cuticle oil. And I'm just using the Young Nails cuticle oil. And just give that a little rub. So that is our design complete. Tell me in the comments which one do you like better, guys. I'm loving the bling. So shiny. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see in my next video. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.